Next we can add beds in the center. And then next we can make a 1x4 row of quartz blocks behind the bed. Then add additional quartz blocks on top of the end blocks. Then we can cover with trapdoors, as these will act as built-in custom dressers. And then lastly, we can place 3 white banners on each corner post. Bed number 9. This bunk bed has a unique design where the beds are perpendicular to each other. To make this design, I'm going to start up against a wall and make a 2 dark oak wood column that are 3 blocks tall right in front.